And I removed the one. Ayan, today December 15, 2025. Replace new varnish. Wala na, goodbye. Yung guys, tinanggal lahat. So, ito yung ilalim ng varnish. Tinanggal siya. Pati ito tinanggal. Ito yung exhaust sa labas. Tinaya na. Grabe. Tinanggal. Ayan, today is December 15, 2025. Nireplace namin ang company gumawa is, ngayon is Atlas Butler. Tinanggal talaga lahat, pinalitan. Ewan ko kung palitan yan. Yes, I will.
I think they'll be fine, but just so you know.
Oh, everything is clean. Look. Yeah. They come out now.
The scent of golden brown bread.
Tapos na, ito yung luma. Ayan. Maganda naman siya, oh. Malinis naman siya. Tinanggal nila. Tinatanggal nila. Tinanggal na nila yung yung luma. Ito yung mga gamit nila, oh, guys. Ayan. Ito, worried ako nito. Ano gagawin nila dyan? Kasi ano na, oh. Ano na. Sana palitan nila yan. Nag-rusty din yan. Ito yung grill niya. Ayan yung sa labas. Easy. Hindi ko alam kung ito, ginigrill niya ata yan. I think ito yung bago na i-install nila. Yan luma yan eh. Ito yung bago siguro i-install nila na varnish. Ayan. Ayan. Kasi andun pa sila. Ayan, wala na. Ayan yung sasakyan nila, dalawa, Atlas. Ayan yung mga luma, yung luma. Ayan yung luma na tinanggal. Lagay dyan.
We can put it right next to me. So that way, we got one here and then the other one.
In the basement.
I was gonna say maybe in that little hallway.
Ito yun sila. Dalawang sasakyan ng Atlas. Ito. Yan. Today is December 15, 2025. At saka ito yung ano, palitan din nila tong ano, aircon. Kasi dalawa, half to eh. Ito. Oh, so ito yung bago ipapalit. Ito yung bago. Kinuha na yung luma. So ito pala yan, Atlas Butler. So yan ang ilalagay dyan. Yan pala yung, may butas na yan dati. May butas na yan eh. Tapos sinubukan yung butasan ulit sa ano. So yan. Yan guys, sobrang lamig. Ayan oh, yellow. Oh, lamig sobra. Palitan nila lahat. The whole unit. Ayan. The whole unit, $16,384. Grabe. Huh. Huh. Sobrang lamig. Atlas Butler. Nagkataon pa, sabi sa news for 20 years, first time lang nila na ganitong sobrang lamig. Ayan, temperature. Sobrang lamig talaga. As in.
Long-term support. So
these
women
ones
don't feel
have
like they're
batteries
walking
built
this
into
journey
it,
alone.
or have
Usually
batteries
they
in
are
them.
completely alone.
didn't
It's
have
practical care that meets
that
people in their most
color,
vulnerable moments
This
and
the
offers them
thermostat
something
won't
they may
work
not have felt in a long
because it
time.
needs batteries,
Oh,
but
That's what we should be offering.
If it, and
Every mom
we'll keep the
preborn
extra.
serves faces a
Okay.
moment of decision
Parts,
when she
so in
sees her
case
baby in an
something
ultrasound.
happens,
That
I've
sacred
got-
moment she
This
has
is
the
a new
opportunity to
one?
say
The
yes.
thermostat?
so
Actually,
this is the exact same platform
Uh-huh.
This
that
Christmas,
the new
for
one has.
$28,
So
you
in
can
theory,
support
I
a
should be able to
woman like
just
this and save a
slap it
life.
on there and it should
Her
work
life and the
perfectly.
baby's life.
So we'll
A
see.
life that might just
Thank
change
you.
the world.
Yeah, no problem.
Nag-install na siya. Ayan. Oh, he's trying to fit the whole model na siya, nag-grind siya din ha, na ang tubo di ay ang tubo. Okay. Dalawang hole na. Nag-dig siya. Nag-open siya ng another hole. Hindi niyo pa itong gamit.